Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh man, that's something good. This might be a bull. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Whistlin Waters Outdoors. You know, it is about the end of June. I think today's June 27th. Done with the Yaktribe Tournament, which, by the way, I came in 4th place. I got my Lowrance that I wanted, the Elite 5. I got my NRS Chinooks. Those were the two main things I wanted to win last month, and I ended up getting them. So we ended up, into the tournament, so I got some time. You know, I'm able to do some free fishing, do whatever I want. Not running a charter today. Charters have been booming lately and just going left and right, so I really hadn't had much time to fish for myself and film. So I apologize for the slow channel lately, but you know, I'm hoping here soon coming up, you know, I can get out a few more. I got some pack footage coming up that I'm gonna put up and everything. But anyways, forget this long drawn out beginning intro. I am headed to the beach. I'm done, you know, able to change it up a little bit. I'm headed to the beach. I'm gonna do a little wade fishing. I'm gonna try to get after some speckled trout. You know, whatever bites really. Might try to throw out for a pompano, maybe try to catch a unicorn. Maybe a redfish, who knows. But I'm headed down to the surf, headed down to one of my old holes, one of my trout wading holes I haven't been to in a while, but I have a feeling it'll still produce. We'll see if we can get lucky today. I have a real late start. I forgot to set an alarm last night, so luckily my internal clock woke me up about 4:45. It's about 5:34 right now, so getting down there. I'm about 20 minutes away, so we're gonna get after them. Hopefully we can get on some fish real quick, but I will see y'all at the beach. All right, y'all, we are at the first spot I'm gonna hit. A lot more people out here than I expected for Monday. You can see we got a boat down there. Got some guys down there fishing the point. Got a guy walking down behind me. There's a couple guys, looks like a dad and his son over there at the first spot I wanted to hit. So couldn't stop there. But oh man, there. Dang. Just got freaking wrecked first cast. Check my line. I don't know if that was a trout or a bluefish. Probably a bluefish or a Spanish or a skipjack if I had to guess. There he is. Got him. Yeah, that feels like a blue. Check that out though, second cast. What do we got here? Oh, it's a little freaking hardtail. It's not what I want. All right. Yeah, well, there's the first fish of the morning. Shook the skunk real quick. The hardtail, Karen's mom would love that, but I'm not about to fill my cooler full of hardtails. But a lot of activity in the water today, so that's a good sign, I reckon. Hopefully I can pluck some trout or a redfish or something though. Got me a skipjack. Well, I know I'm in the right spot at least. These usually hang out with the trout. So, getting in the right way. All right, y'all. I got my second fish of the morning. It's a little skipjack. Not what I'm looking for. Puts me 2/3 of the way to the trash can slam though. Between this and that hardtail, you know, all I need is a catfish now and we'll be good. But get him back in the water. Hopefully I can get that trout. All right, y'all. Well, nothing to be had on the jerk bait, so I am gonna take the easy way out. I'm gonna go up here to this old bucket I got. I'm gonna
move this stuff. I'm gonna pop open this here bucket. I'm gonna get me one of these big old bullies. I am gonna throw this sucker out there. Let's see if something wants to pass up on a nice big old bull minnow. Throw that puppy out there and let her do her thing. Hopefully I get a bite fairly quick. There he is. That might have just been a wave. There he is. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh man, that's something good. This might be a bull. Whipping me in that current. Man, he's big, whatever he is. I got a tiny little hook on there too. There he was. I think I just saw a little bronze in the surf. Oh, just whipping me. Gosh, yeah, I think it's a big drum. Either that or a shark. It's big, whatever it is. Oh my gosh, huge redfish. Huge redfish. Huge redfish. I think I got him whipped now. Golly, look at that fish. Just a freaking tank bull. On the live bull. A bull on the bull. Try to use the waves to my advantage. She's whipped, just that current's whipping me now. I don't want to give it too much. I only got 20-pound test on here, so, or that's what my leader line is. I think I got my main line like 20-pound braid, so 20-pound braid to 20-pound leader. So I can't give her too much juice. She's done now though. Ooh, man, that's a freaking big fish. Look at that freaking redfish right there. Holy crap. Oh, nope, shit like that. There we go. There we go. Look at that freaking tank. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's a good fish. That is what I am talking about. All right, y'all. Well, I made the switch to bull minnows. Picked up this big old girl real quick. She's probably about 36, 37 inches. Just a real healthy fish. Quick switch, and she didn't take long, maybe about 5 minutes, and she just wrecked it. But man, look at that. That's a good fish. I'm gonna get her released and try to catch another one. All right, y'all, I got a good feeling about this spot. It's looking real trouty. Got the current coming down the beach. Got a little point right here that sticks out, kicks a lot of current out. It's kind of exactly what they tell you not to stand in. Like I said, on the beach, you know, it's the, I look for the rip currents, you know, the undertows, that kind of stuff, but that's what pushes all your bait out. And a lot of time those fish will stack up right on the edges on the outflow of that. So I like to get right around in these, kind of stand right off the edge. That's a big stingray right there. Get out of here. Oh, no, that's just a big clump of grass is what that is. But I'm gonna try to get here. I don't know how far the bar is. Oh, but there's definitely a good rip here. I'm gonna try to get out of this freaking current or the wave break. But I think I got a good feeling about this spot right here. I think this might be where the jerkbait takes the lead back, gets a targeted fish. Oh yeah. That feels like a trout. Feels like a pretty good trout too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Second cast. Woo-hoo! Man, he is a good one too. Just a fat one. Losing it, just losing it. All right, y'all, well, the jerkbait has taken the lead back because it has gotten the targeted fish for the morning. Got a nice little trout. He was hanging out exactly where I thought he would be. Just right on the edge of that outflow, like I said. So I'm gonna throw him in the cooler. He's probably about 16, 17 inches, so I'm gonna throw him in the cooler. And I'm gonna get back out there and see if I can't connect on another one in the same spot real quick, because he nailed it the second cast. He was sitting there, so just right where I thought he would be. So try to get on a few more and make this day good. There he is. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good fish. This is gonna be another healthy trout. Yep. Well, not as big as I thought he was. I think this one might actually catch the release. It's another trout though. Just losing it. All right, live baits jerk bait's taking the lead pretty good now. We're up 2 trout, so that's 4 fish on the jerk bait today. 2 trout, or no, I'm sorry, I lost count of how many ladyfish. So yeah, jerk bait's definitely the way to go today. Live bait was, oh man, come on, come back for it. God, there's a lot of trout stacked up here. Dang, that was a good one. Oh, just attacking it, won't commit. I like to work my jerkbaits real fast out here in the surf. Get a lot of current, a lot of bait, just tons of stuff moving around out here. So bright, flashy bait, moving it real quick, really gets their attention. lets them know, hey, hit this guy. This is what you want. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, there's one following him. In the net. It's another good one. Oh yeah. Turning this morning around real quick right here. That's what I like to see. Oh man, his eye is trashed. Looks like he's been hooked before. Nice. Number 2 for the cooler. Oh, didn't like that. There we go, another good one. Nice, these trout in the surf are always real fat, real aggressive. There's number 2. That's what I'm talking about. Whew, all right y'all, I am back at the truck now. I am worn out. I was on the beach for about 5 hours this morning, so I definitely worked it over pretty good, but you know, it paid out pretty good. Got that real nice redfish, got like I said, you know, got about 18,643,736 skipjack. Got a hardtail, sorry Karen's mom, I didn't bring that one home. And I got a ton of trout. That was really what I was looking for, but you know, at the end of it, the artificial definitely won that one. What is happening? There we go. But at the end of it, artificial definitely won out. You know, it was just non-stop once I got on them there for a little bit, so it turned out to be a pretty good day of fishing. Hopefully I can get back out here at the tail end of the week and do it again. Maybe get Dad out here or something with me, get on them. But man, it was just a great day of fishing. You know, if you guys enjoyed the beach fishing back on the beach, shoot me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment, let me know you enjoyed it. Gonna try to do some more, you know, done with the tournament and everything, like I said now, so I'm gonna be doing some more wade fishing like this when I can, when the charters allow it. But I mean, if y'all are wanting to book a charter, shoot me an email at kayaking.kennedy@gmail.com or visit the website whistlinwaters.com. I'll leave all that in the description below. But yeah, like always, appreciate y'all watching, appreciate you tuning in, appreciate the support, and I will catch y'all later.